Wanna play with your Mario game. I had a big Rames as a big tame. Cause Mario might be super, but I'm super duper with a big tuber. Cause no one's gonna hit it like me, cause Mario.
Hello guys, hello. Welcome to another tutorial, another episode in how to. Today I'm gonna teach you how to install awesome games, like cool games, right? For free. Like basically something that you can play and have fun with for the rest of your life. I'm gonna teach you how to find those and download those, and how to not catch a virus in the process. Cause if you're gonna be like an idiot and you're gonna search up like if you go on Google here and you search up like free game download, then you're gonna get like absolute like here's like a scam here. There's another scam. There's a third scam. There's just scams here overall. And here this isn't even for the computer. This is like phone, right? And here's like an editing software. That's not a game. That's so that's like a scam. So don't believe these. Well, however, I will show you how to get cool games, good games for your computer for free, right? First of all, I just noticed something. Why is their logo green? Why is it? Fuck. Why is it fucking green? Fuck. So, anyways, I'm gonna show you a cool site. So first of all, here's a epic site, right? This is an absolutely amazing site for old games. If you're like an old school PC player like me, like I play like Doom, and you play like so this is where you find awesome old games. So you go to my abandonware. Oh, hold up. Actually, we're not gonna look for the Chinese spy bullshit. Let's be proper internet gentlemen here, and ladies, and others. Let's look up www.myabandonware.com. So here we are on myabandonware.com, and this is an awesome site because you basically you have like all video games. You have every video game ever made until the end of the world. So that's pretty awesome. Like, look at this. You have you have Resident Evil 2. Silent Hill 2 here. Fuck. You have the movies. That's an awesome. That's honestly, genuinely, if you like really awesome games that like allow you to like do like pretty much anything, this is the movies. Like basically, like you don't even need like a 3D like animation software. Like you can make like pretty much like Disney or Pixar level animations in this. Yeah, look, you can just straight up download Silent Hill 2 full rip pre-installed. You also have manuals. Look at that. You have manuals. What the fuck? I guess it's like Japanese or something, or I don't know. I guess it's like Japanese. Like my computer can handle like the Japanese language. Oh, here's Max Payne. Awesome, Max Payne. Buy on Steam. Oh. Okay, so you can download this one. Oh, Stranglehold. That's like awesome, like another Max Payne game. And I guess you can download this one either. Okay. Oh, I get it. Okay, so whenever you see a game. Hold on, let's test my here mobile forces here as yeah, buy a game. Okay, so whenever you see a game that has like a money bag, that means that you have to pay big money to play. Like here's a game that's doesn't look like it's paid. Yeah, download. Download. Let's download this. Is there like disc 2 out of 5, disc 4 out of 5? What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, I guess that's also another Japanese game, so never mind that. There's also another cool thing about this website. If you look up to the top of the website, you can find a nice cool button. And this button, this is my favorite button on the site, because basically it does what it does. It takes you to a random website. I mean, random game. Like here, now it found PC Basket 3.0, and you have some information. You have what the computer was made for, what year, and it was released in Spain. Huh. And yeah, you have screenshots at the bottom. It's kind of a shitty game. Okay, maybe let's try something else. Like yeah, it's just completely random. Undercover cops. That sounds cool. That sounds cool. There's no screenshots. Well, I guess we can find out for ourselves. Let's just download this and play this. Okay, another fault. Okay, what the fuck is this? IC38, IC27. What the fuck kind of formats are those? What? How do I play this? That's maybe third time's the luck, the chance, or whatever it was. Oh look, it's a space game, like Space Invaders or Galaga. We can download this and play this on the computer. Let's see here. Okay, it looks like a lot of the games here are like broken and stuff. You can't really play them. But you can play like most of them. Like you can play this probably. Like oh here, there's an ISO version. It's an ISO version. Oh, okay. So if you saw my first ever, I talked about this in my first ever tutorial. Need a sheep tool. Oh, hold up. Need a sheep tool to this sheep tool to open the game and install it. This is basically like a disk, like a CD disk for inside your computer. So there's another website that you can visit for old games. And now this is actually not only for old games, this is for everything, old period. This records everything in the history basically. So this website is called www.archive.org. And now you go to this website and you have hold up, it's gonna load. It's the website is like in Argentina or something, so that's why it loads. It's a pretty slow site. It's basically like a museum, like a virtual computer museum on the internet. So like those like museum people are usually like slow and boring, and this is basically it, but like on the internet. And here you go. And you can look up games on here too. There's even collections. You can look up connections. You can. There's a lot of stuff. There's many different categories of stuff here. Oh, cool! Look at this. Okay, vintage software collection. This might have some games. It's basically like looking for like your grandpa's. Oh yeah, look, CD-ROM software collection, CD-ROM software library. Look, there's a Doom level CD collection. Oh, you can get GTA San Andreas on here. So that's pretty awesome. Or you can get Gary's mod. You can play on the Ouya. Fucking scam. You can get a lot of stuff on here. Or you can get GTA 5. Look at that. You can go on and download GTA 5 and play it for yourself if you want. Which is awesome. Although I'm guessing this is gonna probably take like look, it's gonna take like probably an entire month for you to download it. But it's here if you wanna play it. I'll probably do a player review of this someday. Which, by the way, I found out since last episode it's not called GTA IV. It's since my review, I found out it's GTA 4, not IV. I got that mistaken. I also thought GTA 5 was the GTA V, but it says there probably on the V that it's 5 actually, and not V and IV. Yeah. Anyway, but if you want some new games, right? If you want to download some new games, right? Because old is gold, but sometimes you want to taste something new, right? Well, here's a awesome site called www.itch.io. Now I have no idea why it's called itch.io. I guess you get like a when you visit this website, or maybe someone who made this website had like an itchy bum. They called them like itch, make the itch, and he made this website, and you can basically download like awesome games. Most of them, he's like a paid one, but most of them are free. This is like there's a lot of games here, and and look, you can even look at random games, just like on oh shit, filters, cool stuff. Okay, you you know me. I'm gonna check free only, but you know me. I'm always looking for cool stuff. I'm always looking for. Let's start. Let's what is this game? Oh, what is a woman? Okay, it's oh, okay, no films, you take me to downloads. Yeah, there you go. That's where you click. You go downloads, and it's gonna download. We're gonna play a Thanksgiving game. I've never played a Thanksgiving game. Let's save, and it's gonna be pretty cool. Look, see, my internet's so good, it's gonna install in like a nanosecond. Okay, hold up, it's gonna do it in a second. Huh? That's my game. I'll just do it again. I don't know what happened. But hopefully it's gonna work this time. I mean, why won't it work? My PC is like it's pretty modern, I'd say. Like I can play GTA 4, not IV 4, right? And I could probably play GTA 5, not V5. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Well, that was just a. So that's the tutorial for today. I hope you. I thought it was pretty informative. I think it was pretty informative. And remember to leave a little thumb up. Leave a thumb up. Up high. Just like fuck, I can't think of anything. Leave that thumb up, and subscribe and share around, share it to your loved ones and your grandma and stuff. And I'll see you guys in another tutorial. Goodbye.